upon a time, there were 3 brothers and their old father, with the last name Little. The first one was named Percy Little. He lived in a house made up of twigs, 4 guns wrappers, and popsicle sticks. He was a very silly pig and was always playing foolish pranks. Paul, the second pig, lived in a plain cottage. He was more sensible than Percy. The third brother, Parker, lived with his father in a brick house. He was the most sensible of the 3 little pigs. One day, Percy decided to play another of his pranks. He called Paul on his cell phone.
Where is Paul? Oh. Hello? Oh no, Paul! Help me! Help me! Oh no!
What is it? Are you in any trouble?
There is a big bad wolf. He's right outside my door. He's threatening to huff. He says he's going to poop. I think he might blow my house down.
Don't worry, Percy. I will be catching the wolf. I will be right over. Don't be afraid. Percy! Where are you?
You fell for it. I got you. You should see the look on your face.
That's not funny, Percy. You really shouldn't call someone else pretending a wolf is out to get you. Next time a wolf really shows up, and no one will come to help you.
There's no wolf here.
Let's wait and see. Huh.
But Percy didn't listen. The next day, he decided to play the same prank on Parker. Percy called Parker.
Paul is stupid. Okay. Help! Help! A big bad wolf has broken my house. I'm hiding here and calling you. You have to rescue me, or else I'll become wolf's lunch.
Oh no, this is terrible. Don't worry, I will be right over.
Parker, what's going on?
Percy said the wolf is right now in front of this door, and he is going to eat me.
Hurry, hurry, Parker. He's threatening to hurt. I think he might blow my house down.
Let's go, he is in danger.
Wait a moment. Hammer, axe, broomstick, hammer.
Stop, come quickly.
It works every time. You look even funnier than Paul. A big bad wolf. Yeah, right. Yeah. Like one is really going to show up and start huffing and pooping.
How foolish you are.
Let's now, Percy, this is no way to behave. A wolf may not be blowing your house, but you are certainly blowing your credibility.
Credibility! A big word from Parker Little. I think I'll start calling you Professor Parker.
Percy, if you do this again, no one will trust you ever after. You are too naughty. Parker, let's go.
Parker and father stormed out of Percy's house and went home. But Percy seemed to hardly notice. Then around midnight, he heard a knock at his door.
Who is it?
And a big bad wolf.
I recognize your voice, Parker. Nice try, but I'm not that stupid like you. I'm the Grand Master, and nobody outranks me. I'm the best to tell lies.
Let me in! Let me in!
Uh-oh, a real wolf outside. What do you want?
I'm here to poop.
and I will be doing some whooping. In the end, I suspect that I will have success in blowing your house down, and I will eat you.
Help! Somebody help me! There's a big bad wolf at my house. He's threatening to blow my house. Help me! Oh, please help me! Help me!
Help me, oh please, help me, help me.
Help! Help me! Help me!
Ha ha ha! I got you! It's lunchtime! Delicious! I'm so full. I'm sleepy now. I will take a nap here.
The next morning, Paul, Park, and their father came by to visit Percy. They saw Big Bad Wolf sleeping in Percy's round house.
Where's Percy?
Look, there's a big bad wolf sleeping here. He has such a big stomach. Oh, Percy must be eaten by the wolf.
Parker, give me my knife. Here you are. Is Percy really in the wolf
I
stomach?
think so.
Where am I?
Child, you saved your life. You need to say thank you to us. Haha.
Thank you, my father and my dear brothers.
Never cry wolf as a joke again. Pretty soon no one will believe you anymore.
It's a matter of trust, Percy. We have to be able to believe the things you say. As Paul says, never cry wolf. Percy, you really should listen to your brother.
I've learned a very important lesson today. I don't know how to thank you, Father, Paul, and Parker. Can I offer you each a stick of gum?
I don't want a trick of your tree paper gum. Don't try to fool me again, or else I will hit you.
I'm not falling for that again. When can you stop telling me lies?
You are really a stupid, foolish, silly pig.
Don't hurt me, Dad.
Because you are dishonest. You are gone with 2 months. Don't try to fool me again.
Ha ha ha! You deserve